So guys, yesterday I talked about the rumbling stomach noise that's always bothering you. But today I'm going to talk about the food or certain things that can increase this noise. But before I proceed, let's do this guys. Hit in the comment section. Have you ever experienced this rumbling stomach noise? Has it stopped? What did you take to stop it if yours has stopped? Alright, let's proceed. There are certain food that you take that is difficult to digest by your intestine, and this increases the noise. This stomach noise happens during the process of digestion, and there are some certain food that you take that is difficult to digest by your intestine. The first one is dairy products. Dairy products, I mean, is mostly milk, right? Some people who are lactose intolerant, they find it difficult to digest milk. The next one is vegetables like legume. When I mean legume, I mean peas, peanuts, or lentils. Also, stress impacts in our digestive system. The next one is bacteria. There are certain bacteria that are not friendly to the body, and when they find themselves in the gut, that is the gut, the digestive tract, they can cause this rumbling stomach noise. Finally, swallowing air can also increase the chances of having this stomach rumbling sounds. Like when you take carbonated drink using straw or when you smoke, there is chances of you swallowing air, and this goes into the digestive tract and cause this noise.